friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw together a multicolored cluster of grapes. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the first grape with a complete circle. Now draw another 13 circles behind the first one. Follow me while I'm drawing them. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Now draw the stem with a small vertical line, a curved line, a small diagonal line, and another curved line. Draw two diagonal lines to join the grains to the stem. Draw the leaf with one diagonal line, four curved lines, and one small diagonal line. Join the leaf to the stem with two curved lines. Then draw straight lines inside the leaf. Wow! Our multicolored grapes cluster turned out really well. Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red to color two grapes. Use orange to color 2 grains. Color 2 more grains with yellow. Use green to color 2 more grains. Use indigo to color 2 grapes. Color 2 more beans with blue. Use purple for the last 2 grains. And color the stem and leaf with dark green. Excellent! Our cluster of grapes is beautiful and colorful. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!